Welcome to Shenzhen KAIAO Rapid Manufacturing Company. KAIAO was founded in 1995. We have been focusing on rapid prototype and low-volume production for nearly 30 years. KAIAO is a professional technology company that provides customers with new products design phase verification, trade production, and low-volume production of plastic parts. KAIAO products include automotive, interior and exterior, medical equipment shell, prototype, robot shell prototype, R&D design, and other products prototype parts. Digital electronic prototype. Our process are CNC machine, vacuum casting, RAM reaction injection molding, 3D printing, plastic injection molding, sheet metal. KAIAO has experienced project engineers and processing teams, leading each process department. With an average of more than 20 years of experience in the industry, no matter what problems you encounter from drawing design to product production, our team can always help you timely and professionally solve the problem. KAIAO accepts OEM and ODM orders, headquartered in Shenzhen City, the factory area of 6,000 square meters. KAIAO is one of the earliest enterprises to apply and promote the RPM technology in China. KAIAO has been recognized by the Ministry of Science and Technology of China as a rapid prototyping research and service center. KAIAO is a national CAD application engineering demonstration enterprise and a high-tech enterprise in Shenzhen, with the following qualification: ISO 13485, ISO 9001, ISO 14001. With rich experience in CNC programming and machining, we combine better modern technology and manual experience to provide you with a high standard of machining services. According to the customer's 3D drawings, we can quickly process samples, prototypes, or directly complete the production of parts. Surface treatment include grinding, polishing, sandblasting, painting, silk screen printing, brush, laser curving, electroplating, anodize, UV, laser coating, and so on. KAIAO has a professional inspection team, reliable inspection techniques, clear inspection standards is our guarantee to improve the quality control system. KAIAO's project manager work with product developers, product designers, entrepreneurs, and engineers from all over the world to help them manufacture high-quality parts and products. Shenzhen KAIAO Rapid Manufacturing Company is looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.